Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're looking at Onex.Cloud mining. Why I'm calling time on this program and naming it as a scam. Also something else of concern that's come to my attention, so keep watching. Okay, so Onex.Cloud mining. If you remember from my original video, I did say I would not do a follow-up to that unless I had a proof of payment video for you. Unfortunately, that is not the case, but why I am here is to show you why this is a scam and why you should not get involved. And basically what I'm trying to do is just prevent anybody else getting into this and losing money. Okay, so before we actually go into my account, check this out. Okay, so we are in my Onex.Cloud mining account, and today, which is the 1st of June 2020, we are going to attempt to do a withdrawal. We've not invested anything. If you remember in the previous video, I did say do not invest anything. So everything you're seeing here, we have built up using the free 300 gigahashes power that they give you when you sign up for your account. So the minimum required to do a withdrawal is 20,000 satoshis, so we have reached that, and we're now going to attempt to do a withdrawal. Okay, so as you can see there at the bottom, that is my Bitcoin address. Obviously, for those of you that have an account and you have not inputted that yet, you need to go into the settings and basically put that here at the bottom and then save it. Okay, so go back. Right, so basically just all we've got to do is click transaction and then wait and see if it turns up. Okay, so withdrawal request has been sent. So okay, so there you go, so that's pending. So 20,372 is set as pending. If we click on view transaction, so this is actually taking you to blockchain.com. So at the top here, that is my address. Obviously that is my address at the top there, and it is blockchain.com. The address does show blockchain.com, and not just this bit here, actually in the address bar. I'm looking at that. So yeah, we'll just have to see if we get it or not, I guess. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to leave that part of the video there. I just wanted to do just a quick withdrawal so we can see if we do actually get it. It's funny that it's saying that it's sent, but it's still showing as available balance as well, which is a bit weird, because normally it shouldn't. Normally it wouldn't. Normally it'd be, because obviously it's there showing as 20,372. This has now gone up to 20,375. So normally that would all be zeros, and you just have the 3 that had rolled over since the withdrawal. So that is kind of weird that it's still shown as available balance. Anyway, like I say, we'll leave that there, and then we'll have a look in a couple of days and see what's happening. Okay, so as you saw there, that was me making my withdrawal on the June the 1st of this year. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go and log into my account and see what is going on. Okay, so as we can see, we are basically 2 weeks after I did the original withdrawal, and it is still sitting there as pending, but yet the available balance is still clocking up. And this is something that I pointed out in the video of the withdrawal, is the fact that even though we made a withdrawal, the BTC that was showing as available was actually basically was more than what we had withdrawn, because it was still clocking up, which obviously in most programs, if not all programs, if you withdraw a balance, that will be then removed from your available balance, and all that will remain is your available balance. Whereas obviously this has just kept ticking over and has never, and obviously I have never received that payment. And I'm sure there's many of you guys out there that signed up to this program that have probably had the same thing happen. And that is why I'm definitely, basically saying that Onex.Cloud is definitely a scam. It's probably it'll probably disappear in a month or so, maybe 2 months. It might disappear, and that'll probably be the end of it. I'm just really doing this video because although in my original video I said I don't know how many times, do not invest in this program. I don't think I could have sort of said it many more times in that video, and just basically said the reason why we were looking at this cloud mining site was because it was very young. There was no real reviews on it, so as far as we knew, it could well have been a legit site. And because they were offering us 300 gigahashes free power, and the withdrawal was as low as 20,000 satoshis, then there was an opportunity to come in here, use your free 300 gigahashes, build up your balance to 20,000, and possibly look to getting a free 20,000 lot of satoshis. Admittedly, some of these programs do stipulate that you can't withdraw unless you've invested, but there was no mention of that in the FAQs or anything like that. It just said the minimum to withdraw was 20,000. And obviously I did that withdrawal, and it is just sitting there after 2 weeks. So as far as I'm concerned, this is definitely a no-go. I do realize that the way, once you do the withdrawal, the way they send you through to blockchain when you click view transaction, and it all looks very official. It is very clever, but basically the only way that would not work, which is something obviously they're banking on, is that anyone that signs up to their program has already used that address, or the address that they've put into their account before. Because if we go to blockchain.com, okay, so this is just blockchain.com, we are on the Bitcoin blockchain. I'll paste in my, so this is the exact same address that is in my Onex. We go search. Okay, so it gives, there's two, and there you go. So basically this is what we saw before. And if we scroll down here, I believe this is what we were looking at when, or this one, it was definitely one in May that we were looking at on the original video. And then obviously this is a new block. And if we scroll right the way down here, we will find my, there we go, there's my address. And what that transaction is, if you guys haven't already caught it, or you might recognize it, is my transaction from Hitbits, which the last video I did was the proof of payment from Hitbits, and that is what that is. And like I say, if you've used that Bitcoin address at any time, because of the way Bitcoin and the blockchain works, everything is written down, or everything is logged. So like I say, when Onex send you to blockchain, when you go view transaction, all it's doing is viewing your address. So but when it pops up, you look, it's all official, that looks cool, yeah, blah blah blah. And unless you really go and search for it, then you'll just look at that and think, okay, that's all cool, I'll just wait for me thing. I mean, also as well, it is a possible that people will see that and go, oh right, well I'm going to get my withdrawal soon, so what I'll do is I'm going to preempt that and I'll put a bit more, invest a bit more money, because I know the previous money is going to be in my wallet soon. And this is how they get you. Okay. My biggest concern, to be honest with you, is the fact that, like I said, we got free 300 gigahashes. You see how mine's showing 477478? What that actually means is that someone has invested. And basically, if we go into my referrals and look down here, look, 0, 0, because all of you that listened to me and said and did not invest, and that we were just looking for some free coins, you were all the zeros, obviously. And this person has invested. Obviously, I have blanked their name out because I'm not trying to embarrass anyone or have a go at anyone. But for me, the only reason this has happened is because someone has either not watched my video at all, and they've just seen the picture on my channel and thought, oh, it must be okay, I'll go and sign up to it. Or when watching the video, they were fast forwarding in large chunks, because, like I say, I must say quite often in that video, do not invest in this program. Now, at the end, obviously, I'm not expecting any of you out there to be watching every single second of my videos. Not at all. When I watch videos on YouTube, I flick through them as well, you know, trying to find the bits that I'm really interested in. So I totally understand that. But what I'm trying to get at is, if you are fast forwarding or skipping really big chunks, you are going to miss out on valuable information, such as telling you, do not invest in this program. And unfortunately, obviously, if I am wrong, then I am actually very pleased. But unfortunately, I don't think this person, whoever you are, I don't think you're going to get your money back. And I'm very, very sorry for that. But like I say, in the video, I did say numerous times, do not invest in the program. The whole point of it was just to try and get some free coins while the program was around, if it was going to disappear. Which, the way it's going on, I do think that Onex.Cloud is not going to be around for long. And so, like I say, I am definitely saying that this is a scam. So do not invest. Please, please, please do not invest in this program. Okay, so that is it. Short and sweet. Thank you for watching. If you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you guys. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.